we are here with Presidente ng PGAP, Professional Golfers Association of the Philippines, none other than Mr. Jonel Bulawit. Sir, kumusta yung turnout ng tournament?
Maganda sir ngayon. Medyo maganda yung panahon kaya enjoy sila.
Ano pang mga plans ng PGAP in the coming months?
Ang plans namin at least magkakaroon kami ng tournament every month. At least para to sustain ng gawin yung pinagsikapan namin gawin. Yun lang.
Let's get it on!
Coming tournament natin, meron tayong pro ulit sa August 5 and 6 sa Caliraya, Cabinti, Laguna. Para sa mga members, professional, nakikiusap ako na magtulungan tayo kasi alam nyo naman ang pick-up ay medyo matagal ito manahin. So pilit natin itong dinadala siya ngayon sa area ulit. Kailangan ko lang sa inyo kooperasyon.
There are a lot of things we miss, that we walk right by, that if we could just make a point to see them, would add tremendous value to our lives. There's a saying that your problem is your gift. The situations that knock us down or push us back are the same situations that had the potential to move us forward, had we only looked at them a little differently. Sure, no one's positive all the time, but it's not impossible to see the value in every situation, to take what the world throws at you and turn it into your advantage, into positive energy.
Shot!
Life will always be what you make it, and what you make it is entirely up to you. Life's greatest accomplishments weren't always on some pedestal, always admired. They were built on the back of hardship and difficulty. They were carved out of doubt and transformed from negativity. They were turned from a loss to a gain, from the unexpected into an asset. Look, the right perspective has the ability to transform all things. When you are the one who defines your own reality, can you really afford to live your life with your eyes closed?